10 towns in the UK that went from boom to bust. The United Kingdom is filled with towns whose past glories echo through their empty factories, abandoned rail lines, and faded shopfronts. They were once booming centres of coal, cotton, steel, and shipbuilding. Their names stirred pride, prosperity, and progress. But times change, industries collapse, and the rhythm of life slows. What was once boom has turned into bust. In this poetic deep dive, we explore 10 towns in the United Kingdom that went from boom to bust. Real places, real people, and real histories that shaped Britain's rise and reckoning. 10. Merthyr Tydfil, Wales. Merthyr Tydfil wasn't just a town, it was the furnace of an empire. In the 19th century, it produced more iron than anywhere else on earth. The Cyfarthfa Ironworks glowed day and night, and the Dowlais Iron Company was larger than many nations' economies. Railways snaked out of the valleys, carrying iron and coal to Cardiff and the world beyond. Its population swelled with workers from across Wales and beyond. Taverns buzzed, churches filled, and communities thrived. It was the powerhouse of the Welsh valleys. But decline crept in with the closing of the mines and foundries. By the late 20th century, unemployment soared, and with it came social hardship. Despite ongoing efforts at regeneration, including tourism centred on its industrial past, Merthyr still carries the weight of history on its shoulders. A proud town, now quieter, but never forgotten. 9. Burnley, England. Burnley spun itself into history with cotton. In the early 1900s, this Lancashire town had more than 100,000 looms and exported cloth across the globe. Its skyline was defined by chimneys and mill towers, and its economy thrived on invention and labour. Burnley was a symbol of northern grit and innovation. Then came the collapse. The British textile industry could not compete with cheaper global production. Mills shut down in waves. Streets that once echoed with clogs and whistles turned silent. Burnley's population declined, and deprivation set in. Today, Burnley is clawing back. A focus on aerospace, technology, and local entrepreneurship is slowly turning the tide. But the shadow of the mill still looms, both as a memory and a monument. 8. Clydebank, Scotland. Clydebank's heart was made of steel, its soul launched into the sea. Perched on the River Clyde, this Scottish town built ships that carried commerce, passengers, and pride across oceans. The John Brown shipyard crafted marvels like the Lusitania, Queen Mary, and Queen Elizabeth. Meanwhile, the Singer sewing machine factory, once the largest of its kind, employed thousands. Then, war bombings, deindustrialisation, and global economic shifts struck Clydebank hard. The shipyards fell silent, Singer closed, and Clydebank's once heroic skyline faded into memory. Yet even in decline, the town fights on. Regeneration projects like the Clyde waterfront and the Queen's Quay development seek to rewrite the next chapter. The town's story is one of greatness, loss, and stubborn hope. 7. Rotherham, England. The fires of steel lit up Rotherham's sky. For centuries, this South Yorkshire town was at the epicentre of Britain's coal and steel industry. Its people were hard-working and proud. Their sweat poured into furnaces that forged rail tracks, bridges, and battleships. But the global economy had other plans. The mines were shut, the steelworks shrank, and Rotherham entered a long, painful descent. The economic wound also opened social ones: poverty, addiction, and negative press. Efforts are being made to recover. A cultural quarter is emerging. Digital hubs and green technologies are being encouraged. But for many, the scars of deindustrialisation are still raw. 6. Whitehaven, England. Whitehaven was once the gateway to empire. Located on the Cumbrian coast, it thrived in the 17th and 18th centuries as a port town handling coal, tobacco, sugar, and rum. Its grid street layout predated even New York City, and it bustled with sailors, merchants, and dockside workers. But with the decline in coal exports and the rise of larger ports like Liverpool, Whitehaven's importance waned. Shipbuilding disappeared, the docks fell into disrepair, and the town slowly faded into a picturesque but quieter existence. Today, tourism, local pride, and maritime festivals are breathing some life back into Whitehaven, but it's far from its days of maritime might. 5. Port Talbot, Wales. If you've ever driven the M4, the towering steelworks of Port Talbot are hard to miss. This town grew around the heat and hum of steel, its entire economy and identity forged from molten metal. In its prime, it offered stable jobs, community pride, and an economy that punched well above its size. But as the steel industry came under global pressure, Port Talbot's future became uncertain. Threats of closure, layoffs, and rising unemployment have clouded the town for decades. Though the steelworks still function, employing thousands, the uncertainty keeps the town on edge. Port Talbot is a place where the boom hasn't entirely ended, but the bust is constantly looming. 4. Barrow-in-Furness, England. Barrow was the epitome of an industrial boomtown. Iron ore, shipbuilding, and submarine construction transformed a small fishing village into a thriving town. In the 19th century, its population exploded, earning it the nickname the Chicago of England. It became a strategic military town, launching naval vessels and creating steel rails that crisscrossed continents. But when the contracts slowed and industries consolidated, Barrow faced the void left by decline. Today, BAE Systems remains a major employer, but the town struggles with economic dependency, isolation, and deprivation. Its legacy is proud, but the future is complex. 3. Paisley, Scotland. Say Paisley, and most people think of the swirling teardrop design found on scarves and ties. But Paisley is also a real, rugged, proud town that powered much of the textile revolution in Scotland. Its thread mills, like those run by Coates and Anchor, supplied the world. By the late 20th century, though, the pattern fell out of fashion and production moved overseas. The mills closed, jobs vanished, and grand Victorian buildings were left to fade. But all is not lost. Paisley is now embracing culture, design, and education. It bid for UK City of Culture and continues to draw on its artistic spirit to recover. 2. Redcar, England. Redcar's skyline was once defined by the towering blast furnace of Teesside Steelworks. It provided thousands of jobs and powered the local economy for generations. The town thrived on industry, from iron and steel to chemical production. But in 2015, the steelworks closed. Overnight, livelihoods were lost. The economic shock was immense. The closure made national headlines and highlighted how fragile boomtowns can be when tied to a single employer. Redcar is now part of the Teesside Freeport Plan, aiming to create new industry and investment. But the loss of steel still defines the town's identity. 1. Scunthorpe, England. Scunthorpe wasn't just built on steel, it was born from it. The town blossomed in the late 1800s as iron ore was discovered nearby. By the 20th century, British steel made it one of the UK's industrial strongholds. Entire generations worked the furnaces, proud of their town's contribution to the nation. But the story changed. Global steel markets faltered. Ownership changes, including the Tata sale and British Steel's challenges, threw the town into economic uncertainty. Redundancies swept through Scunthorpe like cold wind across its empty streets. Yet its people remain resilient. The steelworks still operate, on a smaller scale, but hope flickers. Scunthorpe's story is not finished. It may have gone from boom to bust, but it's still fighting. These are more than just names on a map. These are the 10 towns in the UK that went from boom to bust, places that powered empires, built futures, and shaped lives. Their skylines may be quieter now, but their stories still pulse with pride, resilience, and possibility. Decline is never the end. It's just another chapter waiting to be rewritten. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.